Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to change text color in Google Slides. So if you want to change text color in Google Slides, here is a simple guide on how to get that fixed. So if you want to change the color on a particular text, just head over to that particular slide and select the object that you want to change the color. So I'm just going to tap on this slide. I want to change this color for this particular text. So I'm just going to double click, or I'm going to hold down my mouse key and drag till I select every part of the text that I want to change the color. So you can see this selling your ideas has been highlighted. Then just going to tap. I'm just going to tap on this option right here, which is text color. So I'm just going to tap on the text color, which is the A icon. So right here I can pick from any color of my choice, and if I want more colors I can just tap on this custom button, which allow me to pick colors from the palette. But right now I think I have the best color that I want to use, so I'm just going to tap this color. So actually the color I've selected already, but just to make it more effective and more understandable, I'm going to tap on another different color. So I'm going to use this yellow as an example. Then once I click on yellow, then I'm going to click out. Then you can see it has changed from the first color to another color, and the current color right now is yellow. And that is how to change text color in Google Slides. If you find this video helpful and more informative, subscribe and follow for more. Thank you.